Why does this happen? There. Why, what? I don't understand. Thank you for telling me. But what happened there? I don't know. Random tile color, Control Shift D, we'll say, brighten, call, bright call, there we go, nice, say here is call, and then we'll create a function brighten call. Actually make it at the end. Function brighten call. There, and then it takes in a call, and then we return a color. We'll say call.r plus 50, call.g plus 50, call.b plus 50. There we go. Oh, okay, I don't think it's .r. I think it's red. I think you get it like that. Here, let me check. P5, yeah. Red. Redraw red. Yo, there's a redraw method? Okay, hang on. What's up with redraw? What's up with this? Oh my goodness. My nose, one of my nostrils was bleeding earlier and now it's like coagulated. Ugh, I don't like it. So what's up with this? Oh, do we know we have a no loop? Oh, that's interesting. So we simply loop, I guess. It just calls draw. Red raw. Looks like red raw because I thought it was red raw. Okay. I don't think we can do that. Okay, cool. That's good to know. That's really good to know. But if we do green, and then we say blue, there. Now we gotta document this. We will say returns color brightened version of call. New tile selects random tile to push to the pattern array. Pretty simple. And it also resets input, user input, handles states, time, d-index, and score. Let's move this downward. So reset user input. Just we'll go here, and then set state. I'm just gonna keep this there actually. D-index. What is D-index? Like to know. Pattern D-index. Drawing index. Demonstrating index. Okay, I think I know how to fix one of the bugs. I'd say, okay. D-index, index of a tile which is being focused on during demonstration. There we go. So that's that. Let's go down here. D-index, reset, demonstration. There, time, reset time, increment score. Cool. Mouse press. Handle user input. Pretty simple. User may not click during demonstration. Now what we'll do is we will say get tile, find the tile clicked. I will say is if it exists, push it to the array. To the input array. And then here we will say we check for game over. Yeah. We'll just say check for mistake. Cool, and then here we say, we'll make this a triple equals. This is actually we are not actually push a new tile. If player user reached the end of pattern. There we go. We have one update. What's this update? Linter. Gonna have to update that in a little bit. Okay. So it doesn't just handle the user input. Goodness, hang on one second. So it doesn't just handle the user input, it also checks for mistakes, and handles new tile. It's a weird sound. I'm making that with my foot, by the way. Okay, new tile. Nice, that one's documented. Within the draw function, we have way too many things. Oop, didn't mean to slam my chair into the desktop, but we say now, everything else is documented completely. Pretty good. If not playing, then we say, so if not playing, game over. Draw game, we'll just say end. We'll say control that function draw game end. There. Okay. No, I do actually want one of these. Shift tab. No, I want this too. There we go. So this is pretty simple. Draws game over message. There we go. Cool. If not playing. Okay. So we need draw score now. Draw score. Draw score. Oop. Oop. Nope, didn't mean that. There we go. This is simple too. All we're doing is draws score at the bottom center. Pretty simple. Now what we want to do is say, oh, what's up, Morgan? How you doing? Okay, so we draw the score, we draw game end. Now what we try and do is, so what's this doing? Handle time. So here we're just, Okay, okay. Oh. Have fun on your run. Good luck. Okay. We have draw tiles. This was an elegant way of doing it, really. Here, we'll put it here. We'll just say handle tiles. Handle tiles. There. Handles drawing of tiles. There we go. If we are demonstrating state is demonstrating but we have pattern draw the d-index tile bigger. Draw latest selected tile bigger. Let me capitalize T in tile. Cool, pretty simple. Handles the drawing of them. We have draw tiles. So we say this, which is handling the time. So here, this is where we say handle demonstration. There, and then we say there, and then we say function handle demonstration. There, neat. Tracks time. Handles d-index and state. Just make that like that. There. Cool. Increment time. Move on to demonstrate next tile. Then we say d-index greater than all tiles, entire pattern has been demonstrated. Nope. There. Okay, cool. Now what we do is we say, I don't think we need the d-index equals 0 here. Let's try it. We have an error. 165. J, here we go. We will simply pass in J. Cool. Random color J. I is not defined. We'll just pass in I also. Control R, random tile color. Oh, it was IJ. Okay, let's try this. Brighten is not defined. Brighten call. There. Draw tiles. Is it handle tiles? What is it? New tile, end game, draw end game, draw score, handle tiles. It is handle tiles. Oop. Here we go. Handle tiles. And here's where we'll put that then. Cool. Whoa! I'm digging that. Look at that. I'm liking that. Okay. Let's do 4, 4. I think this, yeah, okay. So we have something completely wrong, which is fine, but, if we have I, comma, J, should just go in like I, comma, J. Yeah, okay, so the color isn't the broken part. Position. You see, that's what was weird. Oh! X bar y equals J times size plus size. That's why. X, Y. There we go. Okay. There. Oh, wow, I messed that up. Anyway, let's we have demonstration, we have new tile. Where did I have it? I don't think we need this. Okay. 3. Okay. Cool. Okay, so it seems to work. Now what I want to do is say, whoa. Wherever we have new tile, where's new tile? I want D index to be -1. That's what I want it to be. Cool. Okay. So if this, we say new tile. Really, we want to wait. So new tile completely, It's interesting. How could I make it wait before this? We have a time variable. I guess we write down the time. Something like that. I'm not exactly sure. New tile. Okay. How do we pause and have it just keep drawing the last selected, I guess, okay, what we could do is say reset demonstration, and then new tile is fine. Well, okay. Okay, let's do this here. This is what we'll do. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do now is say, well, you see, we don't want to reset user's input just yet. First, we want to be able to say, input of input.length minus 1, negative, reset demonstration. Okay. Set demonstration to negative index. Because then, this is difficult now. I guess we could do minus 1. There we go. Set demonstration to negative index of last. Here, it's actually choose complement index of last input. Okay, so here, when we have handle tiles or handle demonstration, let's try handle tiles first. Here we go. And d index greater than negative 1. Else if demonstrating, if we're still demonstrating, you know what, we could just kind of, yeah, let's keep it like this, and then else. There. Then we say tiles of I dot draw pattern, no, draw, and then we say I equals, it's just, I equals, d index, negative index plus 1. Draw and where do we, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I think it's not a number right now. Yeah, it's not a number. That makes sense because we have no demonstration. Okay. Where did I do that? Where am I going right now? Okay, so we'll say var negative input equals, and then we'll say input this if that, then we say that, or positive 1 equals negative input minus 1. What? Makes sense. Uh-huh. That's so odd right there. Uh-huh. Okay. Maybe I need to subtract 1 from it since we're negativizing it. And then, whoa. What? Where did all those patterns come in? Wait, what was that? Okay, there. What in the world? Console.log negative d index. There. What was that? So I think it's -1. Should be -1. There. My joint hurts like I have osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis. I'm just going to ride a stationary bike while watching YouTube. Good idea. It's a good idea. Be like, what's his name? Consiglo, whoever does the Cora cycle. I can't remember. Him, though. I think it's, Dave Consiglio. I think that's how you pronounce it. I can't remember. Okay. We draw, and that's good. But we draw it too many times. So if it's -1 time, when we increment... Okay. Here's where we're going to say index equals, and then we say d index greater than -1, and we will say if it's greater than, because we only want it to be negative once, because we only want to draw our thing, like, so essentially we're getting the index of the last one we clicked and we drew it, but when we increment d index, it's gonna hop back up to whatever else there was in order to get it back to 0. So if it's greater than -1, then we just say d index plus 1. Else we need to say d 0. Really. There, 1. Cool. Yes. Oh, I'm liking this much more. It's so much easier to follow now. I'm digging that. Okay. Much easier to follow. I'm surprised that worked. Draw, we no longer need to be logging them. Now what we want to do, you see, I'd love to have, I guess if it's negative, we can then set it equal to, okay, here I'm getting a little bit crazy with it, but I want pauses. We're gonna say if the index is greater than -1, then we say, yeah, let's keep it index or d index, nope. Else if d index equals tiles dot length negativated there, and then else. Then we do d index equals 0. Remember to disable resample. Oh man, I need to. Joe, are you talking about my latest, like one of my latest videos? Like the I accidentally unprivated a couple of videos that I didn't mean to unprivate, and it was from ages ago. But back before I didn't know how to disable resample. I don't think that's what you're talking about. Then we say, well, okay, I guess we say we just need to, if it's greater than -1, then we draw it. No, what we want is to set it equal to that once we do that. Then we say d index equals 0. There we go. Let's test it. Whoa. What happened there? Okay. Pattern. 0, 2, 3. 0, 2, 3. Doot. Twice. Okay, well this isn't really doing it. Okay, so we set it equal to this. That's completely fine. It's got to be negative. Then we say tiles.length. What is tiles.length? It's got to be something. Okay, there, 1. It should have a pause in between. Let's just say console.log d index. There we go. Doot. So why is it? Oh, that's why. Okay, so we need to say if demonstrating and time equals, okay, here, there. Oh, it's so odd, I don't understand. 0. So it goes to -4 and it decides to draw this. When it's -4, it decides to draw this, and it doesn't really make sense to me. Okay, well, here's where we set it equal to 0. So console.log flag 0, 1. Nope. So we check if it's greater than -1, first of all. If it is, then we increment it. If not, we check if it's equal to the length of the tiles, meaning don't show any of them. I guess what we could do, I don't think we should, here, let's just say dx d-index plus plus. Okay, now we have an infinite loop. Okay. So it should be, I don't know, it should be working. I'm not sure why. 0, that's good. So why is it doing, what is the actual pattern then? 2, 0. So here's 2, here's 0. D-index. So how are we getting -3? Oh, I guess that's, no? That doesn't make sense. Tiles.length sets it equal to here. Okay, let's move this down here. We will actually make this to this 3. Control Shift D. Move this one up there. Flag 1. Makes sense. So nope. So if it's greater than -1, yeah, okay. It shouldn't have done that. So what it should have done is come down here. Once we clicked the correct one, where's the mouse click? Mouse clicked. Where do I do it? I should just search for it, but whatever. We say new tile. New tile is here. Push into the pattern. And what we're gonna say, we say negative input -1. So it sets it to a negative input. The one we need to, okay, I guess since -1, I think it needs to be like this. there, and we'll say there. Yes. 1, 2, there. And then we get the weight, and then we go. Awesome. And it works. Cool. No need for these. No need for any of this. Demonstrate next tile. Pause in between last input and beginning demonstration. Begin demonstration. Continue demonstration. There we go. Cool. Let's go into tile. XY, size, color, bright call. So call, bright call, size. Pretty self-explanatory right there. Size, where is this? Find, replace. Cool. This.c, call. Find, replace. So then we say BC, bright call, find, replace. So here's where we say draws tile small okay, lit equals false. Small lit equals true. Small and dark, big and bright. Cool. Inbounds returns whether x, y is within tiles bounds. Tell me what to say. Okay. And we say get tile returns index of clicked tile from within tiles array. Returns -1 if no tile was, heck, I keep messing this, was clicked. There we go. And yeah, that was actually pretty easy. We don't need any of the tiles. Cool. Awesome. Oh, this is so much better. Yes. Cool. Don't tell me what to say. Don't tell me what to do. Okay. Neat. I think we are good. Find one's complement. Okay. Awesome. And I think that concludes it. It's kind of a big file, big single file, but it's well documented now. And I think we're good. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. Tomorrow we will be creating what game? I don't know what game. Creator Studio. Why am I going over here? I don't know. I should have just viewed channel right there. Oh goodness, what happened to my... I'm on number 13, I think. No, 14. Okay, Z-type. Neat. Awesome. So tomorrow we'll be refactoring Z-type, and that'll be fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace.